Have you ever wondered why some traders seem to improve month after month while others stay stuck making the same mistakes? What if I told you the biggest improvement in my trading didn't come from finding a new strategy? It didn't come from buying another trading bot. And it definitely didn't come from increasing my deposit. It came from developing one simple habit. A habit that completely changed the way I approach trading on Deriv. Alright? In today's video, I'm going to share that habit with you and explain why it can improve your trading, regardless of whether you trade over under, even odd, matches and differs, rise and fall, accumulators, or even use trading bots. Okay? Let us get started. Now, the habit. The habit that made the biggest difference in my trading was reviewing every trading session. Now, listen carefully. Not just my losing trades, not just my winning trades, every single session. Now, most traders finish trading, close the app, and move on with their day. But successful traders ask themselves questions like, why did I enter that trade? Did I actually follow my rules? Was I patient? Did I force any trades? Was I emotional? And what could I improve next time? Those few minutes of reflection teaches you lessons that the market itself never explains. Now, think about it, okay? Imagine making the same mistake every single day. Maybe you keep increasing your stake after losing. Maybe you keep entering trades because you're bored. Maybe you ignore your strategy whenever you become impatient. If you never review your trading, you'll probably keep repeating those mistakes without even realizing it. Okay? Many traders believe they lack a better strategy, but in reality, they simply keep repeating the same bad habits every single day. Reviewing your sessions exposes those habits. Now, what do I personally look for? Whenever I finish trading, I don't immediately celebrate or complain. Instead, I ask myself, did I follow my trading plan? Was I patient enough? Did I wait for high quality opportunities? Did I stop trading when I reached my target, or did I let greed take over? Sometimes I even realize, yes, I've made a profit, but I actually traded badly, okay? Other times I lose money, but yet I followed every single rule correctly, all right? Believe it or not, the second situation makes me happier, all right? Because good decisions eventually, and I repeat, eventually, produce better long-term results, okay? Now, there is something many traders struggle to understand. Winning one trade does not automatically make you a better trader, or does not mean you traded well. And losing one trade does not automatically mean you traded badly. The market has what we call randomness, especially in the Deriv. All right? Even the best setups can lose. The goal isn't to win every trade. The goal is to consistently make good decisions. If your decisions improve, your results usually improve over time as well. That's why I focus more on the quality of my decisions than the outcome of one individual trade, all right? So how can you start today, all right? Or okay, where do you start? You don't need expensive software. You don't need a complicated spreadsheet. After every trading session, simply write down. It can be on your notepad, on your physical journal, anywhere. Just write it down, okay? What market you traded, why you entered that market, whether you followed your rules, the biggest mistake you made, and one thing you will improve tomorrow. The entire process can take less than 5 minutes, but those 5 minutes can save you months of repeating the same mistakes. Okay? Now, if I could go back and give myself, my younger self, only one piece of trading advice, it wouldn't be a strategy, it wouldn't be a secret indicator, it will be this. Review your trading sessions consistently. Because strategy helps you enter trades, but habits determine whether you become a consistently better trader. If you build one habit and stick with it, you'll start noticing patterns in your own behavior that no YouTube video or trading course can show you. Okay? Yeah, so guys, please ensure you journal every day. It will help you and it will improve you in a lot of ways, okay? And if you have found this video helpful, please make sure you leave a like and subscribe, because we post videos every single week to help you become a smarter and more disciplined trader. And also let me know in the comments, what's one trading habit that has helped you improve the most? All right? Apart from that, guys, please ensure like and subscribe the video. If you want to contact us, guys, as I said, you can you can contact us through our Telegram and our email. The details are in the description. Check it out, and please ensure you follow our socials, and we'll appreciate. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for being here until the end. I appreciate you guys. Keep on trading, keep on pushing, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.